gravel and shit tracked in the middle of the road. I'll tell you one thing, this bike is much more comfortable to shift on than the other bike until I get it adjusted. Police man, he's turning around. I don't know. I'm doing the speed limit, so it's whatever. Get on it a little bit. I wonder if I can miss this speed hump. Oh, that's close. That's close. I got it. I got it. Get on out of here. I ain't got time to play with no 12. I don't see him. We're gone. Oh, I just double shifted. Like it didn't want to shift it first and then it shifted twice for some reason. Oh, there's a hole. Oh man, it looks like 12's behind me, dude. Let's go. Back fucking with me. I don't know about all that, but we're going. Watch out. You don't want to go through sand and shit like that real fast. How's it going? Yeah, people waving and whatnot. Never come up this way, but I just don't have a tag on this bike yet, and I don't feel like being stopped. Oh God, my back. So I'm headed to the bank, and I've got over $250 in change in my backpack. And I woke up with my back already hurting this morning. I'm not sure why. But this change is not helping anything. That's someone in our family right there. I know a lot of people, man. There's the police. Walton County's finest. Oh, don't wreck. Make sure I'm in first gear. All right. Oh. actually probably fixing to stop the video just so I can do a quick playback. Ow, my back, my back. Oh, sorry about the complaining, man. I am hurting today. I'm just gonna leave my phone right there. Hopefully nobody takes it. Oh, I'm dragging today, guys. I don't know if I just didn't get enough sleep or working too hard for the last couple of days. I feel like I'm tapped out. Okay. Deposit. I got change and a bunch of ones. Yeah.
Have a good one.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
Hello. I got a bunch of more change for you again.
What's your name? What you got?
All right. We have got a whole bunch of ones and a whole bunch of change. All right. All of those are $50 each. Oh, this stuff's killing my back right now. All right, there we go. Yes, ma'am. All right, y'all. So if y'all wonder why I was complaining, this is part of it. Nothing wrong with change, man. Nickels. Oh, she wrote it on here. Okay. All right, so we'll keep that separate. Oh, smart, smart. All right. Look at all these quarters, dude.